Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal so the airbags and electronics stay safe. Next, remove the shifter trim and cup holder insert. These hide 2 to 4 screws you must extract. Use a plastic trim tool and pry evenly around edges. This reduces broken tabs. Once those screws are out, lift the front trim up slightly and look for electrical connectors. Make sure to note connector positions before unplugging. Label with tape if needed. Then set small parts in a tray. Once the trim is loose, you unclip the console side panels to expose hidden T25 or T30 screws. Remove them to free the frame. Carefully detach electrical plugs for USB ports, 12V sockets, and any auxiliary modules. Press release tabs to avoid damaging pins. Now shift the console rearward while watching for the parking brake cable and any under-console brackets. If it doesn't slide, double-check for overlooked screws in the glove area or under the rear cup holder. Then try again with gentle rocking motions. You finish by lifting the console rear first, guiding wiring harnesses out from under sharp edges so nothing rips. Once partially free, remove the center console base bolts and lift the entire unit clear, keeping fasteners organized by location for reinstallation. Reconnect or cap any exposed wiring if you're leaving components disconnected. If the console binds, stop and reinspect for a missed screw or connector. That's the most common cause, and only apply extra force after confirming nothing remains attached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.